Hi, sixth, seven, and eighth graders. Either good morning, good afternoon, or good night. This is March 26th religion lesson, and today we're going to be trying to figure out who this guy David is. Before we can start that, let's look at today's question. Very easy question. What did Saul try to do to David? Okay, so hopefully you remember that or look it up from yesterday. So today we're going to try to see who David is. Okay, so first thing is, we know that David was handsome. In the Bible, it tells us that he had a ruddy look about him. Also, Goliath was very insulted that David didn't have any marks of battle on him. Okay, and then Michelangelo portrayed him as a handsome person in his sculpture. We know that he played the harp. He played it so well that he could calm Saul down, who needed music to calm him down. We know that he tended sheep, which sounds pretty easy, but it's not really when you have wild animals who are trying to kill the sheep. It's just you and the wild animal and the sheep, and you're the only thing standing between a wild animal and its meal. So you have to be pretty brave to watch the sheep. Um, he was an awesome soldier. Sometimes, if any of you decide on a military career, you're going to find part of your histories of military, some of David's moves. Um, David was quick. Saul tried to spear him a couple of times, and he was very quick and got away. Um, we know that a lot of times David was a good actor because he was able to pretend to be somebody else. David was a clever leader. Um, So instead of not trying to do a siege on the city of Jerusalem and where so many people got defeated, he actually came in through the water shaft and surprised the Jebusites who lived in Jerusalem. We know that he liked to dance because he danced in front of the ark when it was brought to Jerusalem. Uh, we know that he was nice sometimes. He treated Mirabal, which was Saul's last living relative, nicely, even though later on Mirabal would be very mean to David. And then we know that David had feelings because he wept when one son killed another son. So that's pretty much our friend David, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a good night.